Alright, today we're gonna be playing Hurricane Outbreak. Let's go on the first quest, Water Roads. Apparently this game is about hurricanes and more, but we're gonna try to make it to category 1. Let's aim for Dominican Republic, maybe Haiti, I don't know, let's just go one of these two ways. On the top left of my screen, I need a landfall on one country, which I'm sure it's not called landfall until you're a hurricane, but whatever. I'm currently in a tropical depression. 13 miles an hour, not good at all. I'm weak, bro. Barely lift up a stick. Let's go, I did it. Oh, upgrades. I wonder, oh yeah, on Mars, let's take it. Yeah, go for these are so expensive I can't afford. Let's continue on Tropical Paradise. Let's aim a little bit to, let's aim to the Gulf of Mexico actually. Maybe let's go for Utica, yeah. Southern Mexico, better feel it. 21 miles an hour, not bad, not bad. 22, 23, we're going. This is the point where it's starting to get a little bit aggressive, you know? Gonna hit in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we weakened a lot. Come on, we gotta make it a tropical storm and landfall on another country. Just landfall on Mexico, but the Yucatan Peninsula. Let's go for Florida, actually. Oh, I forgot. The turning is very limited. I need more turning. Oh, I gotta wait. Right back to 20 miles per hour. Let's just graze the tip of Florida. Actually, no, let's go for like, I don't remember those names of the islands, but let's just go for, I think that's Cedar Keys, I don't remember. Let's go for a little bit down. See if I can make this. I'm about to land. Fall. Alright, there. We need to build up to a tropical storm. How much is for a tropical storm? I know it's like 40, 50, I don't know. 35 currently. Alright, we're at 37, 40. It's gonna take a while. 41. Alright, here we go. Oh, never mind, there we go. Alright, let's upgrade something. Oh, let's go for growth spurt. Never mind. Oh, is there anything good? Oh, these are too expensive. We're gonna go for growth spurt. Let's go start again. Vapor Dreams, one year name, but we can now suck up vapor, which I assume we crash into clouds. Those clouds, it seems like that's what a vapor is. Let's go get it. I think that's what we need. We're gonna buy a consume water vapor. Ooh, actually, it's pretty good. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below and comment your favorite part about this. Tropical storm, I just realized 50 miles an hour? That's crazy. Let's go a little bit left. Yeah, Turks and Caicos. 76, that's crazy, bro. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna make it to 80? Nah, we're not gonna make it to 80. Turks and Caicos. No, I'm weakening. Oh, luckily I'm still tropical storm. Even name this tropical storm. Let's name it Tropical Storm A. Let's name it actually Tropical Storm Alex. There we go. Alright, yep. We're heading to Cuba. Cuba, I don't know what that island is called, but it's probably named something. Oh, there we go. New one. Alright, hurricane. There we go. So we just did it. We made it to hurricane status. Don't gotta worry about nothing. So I wonder if we can reach 40 miles an hour with this vapor cloud. Yep, we did. We reached 50, 60 actually. 70, my bad. 71, that's crazy. That's pretty a lot. I'm gonna move a little bit to this water vapor. It's great. It's a tip of Cuba, you know. Damn, 100 miles an hour? Shouldn't that be like category 2? I think category 2 starts at 95. I don't remember, but it's definitely strong, bro. That's a strong hurricane. Aim for Florida. I think that's Fort Myers. Let's go for Fort Myers. Yep, Fort Myers. Fort Myers got decimated by a hurricane a few years ago. It's hurricane season today. Anyways, it's June 27th right now of this current time recording. Anyways, wow, I play this game. How was school for y'all? I mean, school just ended. It's June 27th right now. I mean, by the time I upload this video, it's gonna be like like July. Anyways, let's go to let's attack the Bahamas. The worst that can happen, attacking the Bahamas. Oh, never mind. That's a big deal. So okay, so we gotta do 200 damage. We're almost there. 1,000 flood. 2 more provinces landfall. Oh, that's not bad. Alright, I think we should win by this one. Yup. We did it. Yippee, 20 points. Alright, let's upgrade stuff now. Land creature, yeah. Wind gust and land creature, that's great. Yup. Now for the final quest for today's video. Alright, that's where we stopped. Near Yucatan, Belize, and Honduras, near that. Let's find some water vapor to take. Ooh, let's go for Cuba. Let's just AFK for a moment. We're gonna turn in a moment though. I'm not gonna use the pause button because that's what I assume it is. I've checked the game out before I start recording, so I know that's a pause button. And that's the turns, anyways. I said let's go for Haiti. Actually, no. Let's graze the tip of Haiti down there. Some part, I don't know what's called. It's called something. I don't know what's called, actually. It's like 2 provinces over there. Fuel flooding, not bad. I mean damage, like, I assume that numbers and damage mean, like, numbers of houses that got destroyed or damaged. And flooding, I assume it's the amount of streets that got flooded. And the amount of buildings that got flooded also. Streets and buildings are flooded, I don't know. Let's aim for Puerto Rico, shall we? Actually, no, go for the United States Virgin Islands. I don't know, maybe both. Actually, those look like some good vapor clouds. There's 2 in a row, so let's go get them. Let's just kind of smack Puerto Rico over here. Rest in peace, Puerto Rico. It's currently at 60 miles an hour. 60 miles an hour, I meant. 62. We didn't get much from that water vapor cloud. I'm surprised. Didn't get much from that either. I think this one's the one. Right there. We're about to get it. Yep. 100 miles an hour. Well, barely. Come on, let's go back to Florida. Let's get this vapor cloud. Oh, I just realized that's the max. So it means that we don't get any more. That's sad. Well, in the next video, we'll make it to category 2, category 3, category 4, category 5. And who knows, maybe go on the global unrealistic quest one. Maybe if both of the videos get 500 likes or 200 or 500, I'll be happy enough to literally buy it for $3. I just have to ask my parents if I can buy it. That's crazy though. Anyways, let's aim for the Bahamas, actually. Let's aim for these small Bahamas. We need to landfall in a lot more countries, bro. We need to make landfall in every country. Well, not every country. There's like a few different countries over here. The Bahamas is about to get hit. Yep, we hit the Bahamas. There we go. Rest in peace, Bahamas. Let's land for one country, right? Yep, there we go. Florida, you're next. Let's aim a little bit to Cuba, you know? Yeah, let's aim to Cuba. Yep, Cuba's about to get smacked with this hurricane route. Almost there. Here we go, landfall again. Too easy, bro. Stepping stone. I wonder what's called stepping stone. I mean, maybe it has a reason. I don't know. Valid. Let's make sure to hit one more country and cause 1,000 damage and 5,000 flooding. Hey, that's what I meant. Alright, let's graze the tip of Honduras right now. It's just, damage it a little bit. I think that's Honduras. Yep, that's Honduras. That's El Salvador over here. Oh, nope. Yep. And Nicaragua, yup. Didn't mean to hit Nicaragua, though. Let's go back for that vapor cloud, though. Let's go up and let's go for Jamaica, let's go for Jamaica. Also, I just realized I made almost a full circle around the entire map. Alright, Jamaica, you're coming. You're gonna get destroyed by me, Hurricane Alex. Let's go. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.